اوکی خب این سخت باشه اینطوری در اومد. این زیرش این ساپورت متریاله. اینو you throw it in water it dissolves. I didn't have PVA so I printed everything in PLA. Now it is expected that you be able to detach it but I don't think so because it's fairly small. So it's the roof and then I got the main floor. So again the resolution was very small. I don't think it turned out very good. So I got the stairs. Trying to focus. And then pieces of furniture, perhaps. And so these are the walls. And then there's a little bit support underneath, not all the way. And this is the second floor. So again, these are support materials. But this is the layout of the building. So I'm guessing it sits on the top. Maybe this is better. So I'm guessing this guy sits here. Then probably this. Can't be too sure. I don't know. Ah, like this. So this is the second floor, and then this would be the roof. Or this would be the roof. Yeah. So again, if the support material is removed, then it obviously looks much better, and then you can see the inside. But this is the best thing I could do with support material. This layout, and then there are a bunch of stuff inside, so this place covers it up. But so this is it overall. I could also print the whole thing in one piece. Then once you get the support material, it will look nice too. So these walls are fairly thin as well. They're 0.4 millimeter walls.